Okay, everyone, let's get started. We have our image up, so what we want to do is set it up, okay? Let's go to the page setup here for the registration mark. And what we want to do is choose from off to on, as you see here. And now I'm showing you guys the length of our registration mark and also the thickness of our registration mark, okay? I like to have mine 100% thick, okay? And the insert, as you see here, I'm moving from side to side and show you the size and the width we need, okay? Okay, now we want to click on print. And as we wait for the print dialog to pop up, as it's shown here, click on print again. And once we do that, we will choose our printer and do preferences, okay? And once we're inside preferences, choose your settings. Okay, as you see here, I choose standard, but you guys choose what you need. And my media type, I'm using glossy photo paper. And you choose your quality that you want to use, okay? If you have to change your custom size of your paper, you could do that as well there. Okay? You choose your width along with your height. And you say, okay. And I'm going to main because I like to have my preview up before I print, just in case I make any mistakes. Okay, and I could go back and choose it because once I say apply and print, as you see I just did there, I would wait for it to pop up, the dialog would pop up, and you see here, and if I make any mistakes, I can always go and click on cancel printing. But since I didn't make a mistake, I go ahead and say start printing, okay? And what we're doing now, just wait, as you see here, it's printing. I showed you guys the printing stage. I'm fast forwarding it, so we have to wait so long. And once it's complete, I would take it to our cutting mat. I would line it up. I use duct tape, just in case my tacking is gone off of my cutting mat, okay? And that worked wonders. And once I have everything the way I need it, I will line up to my vinyl cutter and I'll click load. And see here, we go to send. And as you can see here, we want to choose our vinyl cutter. It's ready and we will click send. And what that does, it will register our registration marks, okay? And as you guys see, you are almost done. But what I want to say too is also, make sure you choose your type of material that you're cutting as well, okay? And you could just sit back, enjoy the machine as it works, or you could just walk off. But sometimes you may not want to walk off just in case the register mark doesn't read correctly, because that does happen too as well. Make sure you have your lighting. Make sure you have good light, okay? Not too much light, but good enough light where the laser could read the registration marks, okay? Other than that, I want to say happy printing. It is so easy to do print and cut. And I'm using Silhouette Studio for that. And I'm also using Cameo 3 for my vinyl cut. And after your job is complete, you just click on load. It is simple as that. Goodbye.